Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I hope you are fine. So today's my new project from Gate.io bonus task USD1. So thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So today's my another bonus task from Gate.io USD1. So Gate will add 9 spot trading pairs including BTC USD1 and ETH over USD1. So guys, no enrich trading option and enhance using experience. Gate will add a new USD1 trading zone to the spot trading and market at 6 UTC on July 2025 and launch the following USD1 trading pair. So guys, you can see 9 USD spot trading pairs. So let's we started. First one, BTC to USD1 trading pair. So guys, thank you so much for your joining. So guys, you can see first one, BTC over USD1 trading pair. So is 1158758.2. तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं इसका जो लास्ट है वो इधर आके रुका हुआ है और इसकी जो 24 आवर्स का सबसे हाईएस्ट था वो था 119442.2 और इसका जो 24 आवर्स के अंदर सबसे जो लो था गाइस वो था 114666.5. थैंक यू सो मच all of you for your joining. Thank you so much all Gate user for your joining and compliments me. So next, so thank you so much. Thank you so much all Gate user and CryptoDoll for your joining and CryptoDoll compliments. Salam everyone. So walaikum assalam. So guys, you can see जो 24 घंटों के अंदर इसका जो वॉल्यूम था BTC का वो था 75.31 और इसका जो टर्न ओवर था 24 घंटों के अंदर USD1 का वो था 8.82 बिलियन. सो गाइज यू कैन सी तो ये इसका जो है ग्राफ है आपके सामने हमारे पहले पेयर का BTC ओवर USD1 का. इस वक्त जो है ये लो जा रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है, आपके सामने है. इस वक्त ये 1.15 891 फिर 874 62 आपके सामने गिरता हुआ. तो थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच CryptoDoll for your compliments. This stream is pure joy from the content, your reaction, everything is just perfectly enjoyable and engaging. Thank you so much CryptoDoll and again your compliment. Your stream is always full of positive vibes and great energy. So thank you so much for your compliments and thank you so much all of you for your joining. तो आप लोग सारे जो है इसका ग्राफ देख सकते हैं किस तरह इस वक्त जो है ये नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है. तो ये था इसका फर्स्ट BTC पेयर. सो अब हम चलते हैं इसके दूसरे पेयर की तरफ. पहला पेयर हमने देख लिया. तो नेक्स्ट इज ETH to USD1 trading pair. So let's go guys. So thank you so much CryptoDoll. Again you are doing good, keep it up. Thank you so much for your compliments and thank you so much all Gate user 677, Gate user E18 and Sitka F. Thank you so much and Gate user 657 and Tube Bloodo 88, and Skyfall, Osea, gate user 231. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. So you can see second pair ETH over USD1। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि इसका ग्राफ जो है इस वक्त ऊपर जा रहा है, आपके सामने है। इसका जो लास्ट है वो है, इस वक्त जो चल रहा है वो है 3699.03, और इसका एरो आपके सामने ऊपर की तरफ है। तो इस वक्त जो है ये ETH जो है वो बढ़ रहा है, और इसका 24 घंटे के अंदर जो सबसे हाईएस्ट था वो था 3753.58, और 24 घंटों के अंदर जो सबसे लो था वो था 3580.44। So, guys, volume in 24 hours ETH is 463.18, and turnover USD1 in 24 hours is 1.71 million. So thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your compliments. You are improving so much every stream. It's awesome to watch your journey grow day by day. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your compliments. And thank you so much, Crypto Doll, for your again compliments. You're doing good. Keep it up. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Fahri 420 and Tucked Pet. Thank you so much, Gate User E18 and No Time, Lonely Tree and Tokyo Bangsai and Huge 54. Gate User E18. Thank you so much. This Namslan and Gate User 6C8. Thank you so much for your joining. So thank you so much all of you. So you can see second graph pair ETH over USD1. So next we have third pair. We have Sol to USD1 trading pair. Sol means Solana. So thank you so much, Ego Tycoon 82, Gate User 034 and Crypto. Thank you so much, Crypto, and Gate User 73C and Gate User 874. Thank you so much for your joining, and thank you so much, Crypto Champion and Crypto Doll, for your compliments. So you can see third pair is Sol over USD1. So you can see decrease from this graph is 180.39. So in 24 high of in 24 hours in 191.25, and low in 24 hours is 176.09, and volume in 24 hours is 4.48k, and turnover in 24 hours is 816.32k. Thank you so much, Tokyo, and thank you so much, Jabri 008. Thank you so much for your joining. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, for your compliments. Every time you go live, it makes my day better. You are an amazing, entertaining, and person. Thank you so much, Champion, for your compliments. And thank you so much, all of you, for your joining and compliments. So guys, you can see third pair of our project. So next we have fourth pair is B2 USD1 trading pair. So let's we go. Solo Rogging and make 20 money. Thank you so much for your joining. And Sika F, thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much, Crypto Doll, for your compliments. You are not just streaming, you are the creating an experience. So thank you so much, Kirheli. Thank you so much for your joining. सो यू कैन सी बी ओवर USD1 ग्राफ। तो देख सकते हैं कि ये इस वक्त जो है बढ़ रहा है 0.5684 एंड हाई इन 24 आवर्स इज 0.6074 and low in 24 hour is 0.5252 and volume is 24 hour is 501.05k and turnover in 24 hour is 287.36k. So you can see graph of fourth pair B2 USD1 pair. So thank you so much Gate user 3D0 and Mithon Islam and Kerhali and Chorley 1993 and Gate user 5BB. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much. So next we have fifth pair BNB2 USD1 trading pair. So let's go. Thank you so much Gate user E18, Gate user OC3. Thank you so much for your joining. तो आप लोग भी सारे जो है वो कमेंट्स किया करें। कमेंट्स करने से जो आपस में गपशप लगती है, तो आप सभी कमेंट्स किया करें। So guys, don't forget to like and follow me. Drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So next pair is BNB2 USD1. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि ये इस वक्त बढ़ रहा है 773.5 पे जा चुका है इस वक्त। तो high in 24 hours is 784.9 and low in 24 hours is 752.3 and volume in 24 hours is 3.25k and turnover in 24 hours is 2.50 million. So you can see graph of BNB to USD fifth pair. So thank you so much Gate user 0C3 and Jabri 008 and Javed 07. Thank you so much. And Andigyo and Ziuling. Thank you so much Ziuling for your joining. So next we have six pair TRX to USD1 trading pair. So you can see six pair of our project is TRX to USD1. Thank you so much Duoling, Adangio and Gate user FB6 and main. Thank you so much main. आपका शुक्रिया, आप हमेशा ही ज्वाइन करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल गेट यूजर। So guys, don't forget to follow and like me and drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. So Sika app, thank you so much. So you can see graph of TRX to USD1. आप देख सकते हैं ये इस वक्त बढ़ रहा है ऊपर की तरफ 0.3142 पे जा चुका है। So high in 24 hour is 0.3166 and low in 24 hour is 0.3098 and volume TRX in 24 hour is 6.89 million and turnover USD1 in 24 hour is 2.14 billion. So thank you so much Gate user CE6 and Gate user DE9 and CryptoEye. Thank you so much for your joining. Thank you so much for your compliments. So thank you so much all of you. So you can see sixth pair of our project. So let's we seventh pair talk to USD1 trading pair. So guys, you can see seventh So thank you so much, Crypto for your compliments. So much. Same to you. So you can see graph of this pair. ये इस वक्त जो है वो नीचे को जा रहा है 0.2313. So high in 24 hours is 0.2450 and low in 24 hour is 0.2224 and volume dog in 24 hour is 8.59 million and 24 turnover USD 1 in 24 hour is 2 million. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So you can see this pair of our project. So let's be now next. So 8th pair of our project is SUI to USD 1 trading pair. So guys, you can see this pair of our project. So Shimul, thank you so much Shimul, and Crypto King 13, thank you so much for your joining, Crypto King 13, and Crypto I, thank you so much for your compliments, Crypto I. तो आप सब देख सकते हैं कि ये इस वक्त जो है वो बढ़ रहा है ऊपर की तरफ 3.755. सो हाई इन 24 आवर इज 3.870. Low in 24 hour is 3.588. Volume SUI in 24 hour is 407.42k and turnover USD in 24 hour is 1.52 million. Thank you so much Muhengi. Thank you so much Muhengi for your joining. So good to see you. However, Muhengi. So next join किया है Gate user C82. Thank you so much Gate user and Muhengi. So again Alexan, thank you so much Alexan for your joining and Gate user DA9, thank you so much for your joining. So guys, next pair of our project is last pair, means 9th pair of our project is EGL1 to USD1. So thank you so much Hamza to join my live stream. Hamza. So guys, you can see this graph. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि इस वक्त कम हो रहा है 0.10035. So high in 24 hour is 0.11054 and low in 24 hour is 0.09798 and volume EGL1 in 24 hour is 1.1919 million. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So much guys, आप सभी का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए एंड कमेंट्स करने के लिए. And turnover USD 1 in 24 hour is 126.44k. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So you can see this graph of 9th pair of our project. So we discuss and explore 9 trading pair of our project including USD1. So thank you so much all of you. So trading start. Thank you so much again join guy, no time and Skyfall, thank you so much. Gate user 565 and Shimul and Happy 888 and Sam 888, thank you so much Happy 888 and Sam 888. दोनों का शुक्रिया, आप दोनों हमेशा ही लाइव को ज्वाइन करते हैं और कमेंट्स भी करते हैं कभी कभी, तो लाजमी कमेंट्स किया करें. हर कमेंट्स का ही जवाब देता हूँ। उसके बाद ज्वाइन करा है सीका ऐप ने, थैंक यू सो मच सीका ऐप फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग। सो अगेन अकाउंट आइकॉन 82, थैंक यू सो मच। उसके बाद सुफियान मटकोर, थैंक यू सो मच सुफियान। एंड सर्वाइवर 12345, थैंक यू सो मच। एमडी जफोर अहमद, थैंक यू सो मच। उसके बाद बोरा बॉय, थैंक यू सो मच बोरा बॉय, आप भी हमेशा ही ज्वाइन करते हैं। उसके बाद गेट यूज़र E18, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग। एंड क्रिप्टो आई, थैंक यू सो मच। सो ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट July 22, 2025 at 6 UTC. Gate will continue. Gate will continue to launch more high quality trading pairs. Please stay tuned for official announcement. Thank you for your support and trust in Gate. So guys, thank you so much all of you. So you can see the first page of our project. So it's based on two pages. So let's now we go second page of our project. So guys, you can see second page of our project is Candy Drop 56 Candy Drop X USD1 trade and deposit to share 70,000 USD1. Thank you so much Gate user E18 and Behavior and Girulis. Thank you so much for your joining, and thank you so much Cryptoy for your compliments. So Candy Drop is an airdrop platform launched by Gate where users can complete tasks to earn candies and participate in token airdrop polls. So now we are excited to announce the USD1 token airdrop events. By completing the task below, you can earn candies and share a total prize pool of 70,000 USD1 with a maximum cap of 300 USD1 per person. Details are below. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you so much Gate user 3C6. Thank you so much Repo 99 Repo, and thank you so much Aman Hussain. Thank you so much अमान जुसैन, गुड टू सी यू। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको दोबारा अपनी लाइफ में देखकर। आप हमेशा ही ज्वाइन करते हैं। अमान जुसैन जुसैन अमान। तो नेक्स्ट गेट यूज़र 565, थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू so much all of you for your joining. So guys, don't forget to follow and like and drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. तो आप सभी जो है कमेंट्स लाजमी किया करें। Thank you so much CryptoRex, again join करा है CryptoRex, thank you so much for your joining. So guys, let's we discuss first spot trading. Candy total price pool 330,000 USD1, indivisible limit 100 USD1. So thank you so much Crypto I, thank you so much for your gift. Thank you so much Crypto I. And Gate user 1B5 and Sika F. Thank you so much Sika F for your joining, and thank you so much CryptoRex for your compliments. So welcome, and how are you there? So I am fine CryptoRex, I am fine Alhamdulillah. How about you CryptoRex? How about you? So Gate user 8F8 and beginner 888 and Amanpreet, thank you so much all of you for your joining. And TactPad, thank you so much. Gate user E18, thank you so much for your joining. And compliments आया CryptoRex की तरफ से, you are doing an amazing job on this live stream. Your energy, content and vibe are just perfect. Keep entertaining us like this. Proud of your hard work always. So thank you so much CryptoRex for your compliments. Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको अपनी लाइफ में देखकर. So Gate user E18 and Gate user 565, thank you so much for your joining. And again CryptoRex, nice presenting. Thank you so much CryptoRex for your compliments. And thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So next we have sport training candy prize pool 20,000 USD one indivisible limit 100 USD one. And next is deposit candy prize pool 20,000 USD one indivisible limit 100 USD one. Candy prize pool airdrop calculation formula indivisible candy count total candy count of all users multiply by prize pool. Thank you so much. Another compliments from Gabe Cryptorex. You're doing a good job. Keep it up, bro. Thank you so much, Cryptorex, for your compliments. And again, joining MD Mustahid. Thank you so much, MD Mustahid, for your joining. And candy drop event time is July 24, 2025, 9 UTC to July 27, 2025, 15 UTC. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So next we have participants now. So guys, you see official page of our website USD1. You can see official page of our project. So USD1 ongoing. So thank you so much gate user DC1 and gate user 7F6. Thank you so much for your joining. Thank you so much all of you. And gate user, all gate user, thank you so much for your joining. So USD1 is a flat backed digital asset designed to maintain a 1-1 equivalence with the US dollar. So 7,000 total prize pool and 7,531 participants. So events end in 2 days, 1 hour, 30 minutes and 40 seconds. So thank you so much all of you to join now guys, to click here and join now. So thank you so much. The Inson and gate user 802, thank you so much gate user 802 for your joining. So this roadmap of our project is first one, registration open 24th July 2025 14 UTC, and second one is event ended 27th July 2025 20 UTC, and third one is airdrop 24 August 2025 21 UTC. So thank you so much gate user 802 and Skyfall. Thank you so much Skyfall. Gate user 6BA and Mestri. Thank you so much Mestri, and Nadigo. Thank you so much Nadigo for your joining, and thank you so much all of you. So guys, don't forget to like and follow me and drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. Thank you so much all of you. So you can see these tasks. Complete task to share 70,000 USD prize pool. So first one is first sport trade prize 30,000 USD one. 30,000 USD one total tokens 100 USD one indivisible share limit. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So thank you so much all gate user for your joining. So first one is login and participants, and second one is complete task. So task is make your first spot trade on any USD1 trading pair excluding USD 2000 USD1 2000. So guys, third is claim up to 100 USD1. So thank you so much, gate user D13. Thank you so much for joining. Gate user 034. Thank you so much for joining. And visitor 89. Thank you so much for joining. And Xwin. Thank you so much, Xwin, for joining. So activity rules for this task is user who have not made any spot trading after joining Gate and make their first spot trade in any USD1 trading pair excluding USD pairs with a trading volume of 2 less than and equal to 2000 USD can receive one candy and share to total prize pool of 30,000 USD1. So much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So guys, don't forget to like and follow and drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. So guys, gate user 373, thank you so much for your joining, gate user. So guys, next we have spot trading to share 20,000 USD1. So 20,000 USD1 total tokens, 100 USD1 indivisible share limit. So complete task and share price pool, share rewards. Thank you so much, gate user 373E, and thank you so much, gate user E18. Thank you so much for your joining. So guys, first one is login and participants to join, and second one is complete task. So again joining VIP 18, thank you so much VIP 18 for your joining. So first one is trade any spot USD trading pair excluding USDT less than and equal to 5,000 USD1. So you receive one candy. Thank you so much Samuel and Samuel. Thank you so much Samuel for your joining. And thank you so much Toon A. Thank you so much Toon A for your joining. So good to see you Samuel. And how are you Samuel? बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको लाइव में देख के. आप हमेशा ही आते हैं लाइव में, अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स भी करते हैं. So gate user 790, thank you for your joining. And OIO and OIO, thank you so much for your joining. And gate user 3C6, thank you so much for your joining. And again gate user E185, thank you so much for joining. And King Goplo, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको लाइव में देख के. किंग गोपलो, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. एंड मेक 20 मनी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मेक 20 मनी एंड किंग गोपलो. So trade any spot USD1 trading pair excluding USD1 less than and equal to 7,000 USD1. So you receive 3 candies. So Crypto Pioneer, thank you so much Crypto Pioneer for your joining. See you Crypto Pioneer. And third one is trade any spot USD1 trading pair excluding USDT less than and equal to 10,000 USD1 to receive 5 candies. So thank you so much all of you and Crypto Pioneer. So third one is clean up to 100 USD1. So activity rules is users who trade any spot trading pairs involving USD1 excluding USDT with the total spot trading volume buy plus sale less than and equal to 5,000 USD1 will receive candy reward up to 19 candies can be earned. Share the prize pool of 20 USD1. So thank you so much gate user 753 and gate user 565. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. एंड थैंक यू सो मच 899999 फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको देख के, आप हमेशा ही लाइफ में आते हैं। 899999, थैंक यू सो मच। सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव डिपॉजिट टू शेयर 20 USD1, 20 deposit to share 20,000 USD1, 20,000 USD1 total tokens, 100 USD1 indivisible share limit. Thank you so much, Apu A Anon and Apu A Anon and Taskia 7722 Taskia. Thank you so much for your joining. So thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much all of you. So second one is complete task. So task is first task 1 USD1 deposit less than and equal to 1000. So you receive 1 candy. Task 2 USD1 deposit less than and equal to 3,000. So you receive 3 candies. And task 3 is USD1 deposit less than and equal to 5,000. So you receive 5 candies. So thank you so much, Satosh. Thank you so much, gate user 8F8. And thank you so much, Nawab Enterprise, for your joining. बहुत अच्छा लगा, नवाब इंटरप्राइज, आप हमेशा ही लाइव में आते हैं। नवाब इंटरप्राइज एंड सतोष एंड गेट यूजर 8F8 and Mestri. Thank you so much for your joining, Mestri. So third one, claim up to 100 USD1. So activity rule. So guys, you can see activity rule for this task is one, during the event user with a net deposit equal and less than to equal it to 1000 USD1 and who do not withdraw within 24 hours can receive up to 9 candies and share a prize pool of 20,000 USD1. So second one is total net deposit equal to on-chain deposit, on-chain withdraw, redemption of recharge code, C2C selling withdrawals after claiming the task will also be including in the deposit calculation. So thank you so much, Crypto Universe Lady and Crypto Pioneer and Gate User 7F6 for your joining, and compliments from Crypto Universe Lady. Good evening. So thank you so much, Crypto Universe Lady. So likewise, good evening too. And again, Gate User CE6 and Satosh and Skyfall and Mestri and Shivmules and CKF, thank you so much for your joining. So next we have FAQ of our project. So you can see FAQ, frequently asked question. So gate user 3B, 32B and gate user 1D7 and a Dengue and gate user 657, thank you so much for your joining and compliments me, and gate user E1 and gate user 753 and CKF gate user CE6, thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So guys, don't forget to like and follow me and drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So guys, so our first FAQ of this project is what are the requirements participants in the candy draw? So thank you so much, Sam Triple Eight. Thank you so much, Sam Triple Eight, for your again joining. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको अपनी लाइफ में देख के, सैम ट्रिपल एट। आप हमेशा ही आते हैं और खूबसूरत से कमेंट्स करते हैं। सो his answer is user participant in the candy drop are required to the complete identity verification and click the join button on the event page. Only after successfully joining will their activity data will be conducted. Market makers, enterprise and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. So thank you so much, gate user 3C6. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. So guys, second one of our FAQ is, when will candies be distributed after completing task? So answer is, candy will be distributed within 3 hours after user complete tasks. Please log in and check the candies obtained from the candy drop after 3 hours. So thank you so much, gate user 36 and Tuckput and VIP 18 and gate user 790 for your joining. And thank you so much, Crypto Universe Lady, for your compliments. Thank you so much. And gate user 790, thank you so much for your joining. So third one of our FAQ is, how is net deposit calculated? So answer is, after the user deposit the specific token for the recharge deposit event, if no on-chain withdrawals, deposit code withdrawals or C2C sales of any token occurs during the task period and the net deposit is maintained for the 24 hours, the recharge deposit task can be completed using the deposit tokens for activities such as taking loan, gate earn, fixed term financial products, dual currency investments, or spot trading will not be affect the net deposit data. So thank you so much, Satosh and gate user 565 and Shimules. Thank you so much for your joining, and gate user 753. Thank you so much for your joining and compliments me. So next we have fourth one is, what are the first spot and first future trading tasks? So users who have never conduct any spot and future trading after joining Gate can claim this task by making their first spot or future trades of the specified token and the reaching the communicate trading volume requirements during the event period. Users can complete the task and receive event rewards. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. So Shemules, gate user 753 and G Babaji and gate user 58B. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. And gate user 721, thank you so much, gate user 721, for your joining. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So guys, fifth one of our FAQ is, can trading volume from different USD1 trading pairs be combined? So thank you so much, Aman Hussain. Thank you so much again you joining, Aman Hussain. Thank you so much. आप हमेशा ही लाइफ में आते हैं और अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स करते हैं, अमान, आपका शुक्रिया। उसके बाद गेट यूज़र EE0 एंड गेट यूज़र 753, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर joining, and thank you so much, Crypto Universe Lady, for your compliments. Your attention to detail on this project was much. Thank you so much for your compliments. So SVS and Pendangle and Crypto Pioneer Empathy Handle Gate User 3CD and Gate User 3C6 and 343 and 59C. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So guys, don't forget to like and follow me and drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. Thank you so much all of you. So we can discuss fifth FAQ of our project is, can trading volume from different USD1 trading pairs be combined? So answer is, trading volume from different USD1 trading pairs cannot be combined. For example, you must reach a cumulative spot trading volume of less than and equal to 5000 USD1 in the same trading pair such as BTC over USD1. To receive the reward, you cannot be combine the volume of BTC over USD1 and ETH over USD1 to qualify. So thank you so much, Crypto Universe Lady, for your compliments. And again joining Shimules and Tuskia 7755 and Gate User 790, Gate User 2A9. Thank you so much for your joining. आप सभी का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन और कमेंट्स करने के लिए. So last and sixth one of our FAQ. Did the progress bar decrease after completing the task? So thank you so much, Gate User 2A9 and Gate User E52 and Gate User 790. Thank you so much for your joining. Compliments me. So answer is, the progress bar will be changed according to the selected token and will be affected task completions or candy distribution. For example, if a user BTC over USD1 trading volume is 5000 USD1, they have completed the task and receive one candy. If the user switches to trading ETH over USD1, so they have completed the task and receive one candy. So thank you so much all Gate users for your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much all of you. And thank you so much Profal25 and Lukash. Thank you so much. And Oi, thank you so much. And Gate user 373 and Gate user EE0, Gate user CE6, and again MD Mustahid, MD Mustahid, and Profile25 and Sam 888. Thank you so much. Crypto Pioneer, and thank you so much. Make 20 money, and again Profile25. Thank you so much all of you. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So we discuss the sixth FAQ of our project. If the user switches to trading ETH over USD1, the progress bar on the front end will be display the user trading progress for the new pairs ETH over USD1. But the candy already earned from the BTC over USD1 trading will not be detected. So thank you so much Sam 888 for your compliments, and thank you so much Gate user 657 for your compliments. No matter what, you should be full of longing for the future. Thank you so much, Sam 888, for your joining. Sam 888, so much. And thank you so much, Gate User 657. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much already. So thank you so much, Sam 888 ने हंसी वाला इमोजी भेजा है। Sam 888, फाइनली आप लाइफ में आए। एंड एल हेड्रे, सुबह बखैर, थैंक यू सो मच, वेलकम एल हेड्रे। And thank you so much, Gate User 2A9, thank you so much for your compliments. And thank you so much, Gate User 2A9 ने कम्प्लीमेंट किया है गुड का। थैंक यू सो मच, Gate User 2A9। एंड थैंक यू सो मच, Gate User 65। थैंक यू सो मच। आपकी जो है वो समझ नहीं आई, लैंग्वेज अलग है। Gate User 657, लेकिन फिर भी गुड टू सी यू। Gate User, good to see you. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. So thank you so much guys for your joining and compliments me. तो आप देख सकते हैं, आप लोग भी इसी तरह कमेंट्स किया करें, मैं हर कमेंट्स का ही जवाब देता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच एल हेड्रे, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू। And Sam 888, thank you so much for your compliments. How are you all? And Sam 888, how are you? And El Hadre, thank you so much El Hadre. And SVC Gate User 790, and Sam 888, Gate User 8B9, Gate User 657, thank you so much 657 for your compliments. Gate User 8B9, Gate User 7F6, Gate User DC1, and Gate User E6A, and Al Hadre, thank you so much. And thank you so much again, Sam 888, good morning Anchor, thank you so much, Gate User, and Sam 888, thank you so much. And likewise, and again Gate User 657, thank you so much for your compliments. और आपकी लैंग्वेज अलग है, तो उसकी वजह से जो है समझ नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन आपका वेलकम, खुशामदीद, आप मेरी लाइफ में आए। 657, थैंक यू सो मच Gate User 657। and Rutuba, thank you so much Rutuba for your joining, thank you so much Gate User 705, and Baden Lake, thank you so much Sam 888, कहाँ पे चले गए आप? अभी तो बात कर रहे थे, गुड मॉर्निंग कर रहे थे। Sam 888, and Gate User 8B9, thank you so much, and Ahmad TN, thank you so much Ahmad TN, and Gate User 30F, and Gate User 565, and all Gate users, thank you so much. Gate User 8F8, 7F6, DA9, E18, 373163, 2428, F8, 242657. Thank you so much Gate User EE0. Thank you so much El Hadre. Thank you so much El Hadre. And how are you El Hadre? आप भी गायब ही हो गए एक मैसेज करके। And thank you so much all of you for your joining. So guys, Gate User E6A and 82A, thank you so much for your joining. And Panda Crypto, thank you so much Panda Crypto and Satosh. And again Gate User 753, Gate User 753, thank you so much for your joining and compliments me, thank you so much. So guys, don't forget to like and follow me, Drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. So guys, terms and condition for our website. So Yukians, thank you so much for joining. So first one is participant must click in the join button on the event page after successfully join the event, complete the event task and identity verification to the received and rewards. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. Thank you so much. Thank you so much all gate user for your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your compliments. So gate user CD6 and 7 triple C, thank you so much for joining. So guys, you can see terms and conditions for our project. Thank you so much all of you for joining, and user 672, thank you so much. So second one is rewards will be distributed within the 14 business days after the event concludes. 7 and third one is bulk registration of multiple accounts and manipulation volume manipulation wash trading self dealing. Thank you so much Nawab Enterprise, gate user 580 and Panda Crypto. Thank you so much for your joining. So stability prohibited multiple accounts verified under the same user identity will be the considered in single account, sub accounts and or not be eligible for the participants. Thank you so much all of you. And fourth one is market maker, business and institutions are not eligible for this event. Affiliated accounts cannot join referral activities but can participate in the all other events without the restrictions. Fifth one, in the case of the discrepancies between the translated version and the English version, shall prevail. So GET reserves the final rights of the interpretation of this event. And the seventh one is the user from the restrict regions will be unable to use all the part of services including participant in this event, games or contracts. For details, information regarding restricting regions, please refer to the user arguments. So thank you so much, Gate Panda Crypto, Profofal 25, Gate User 565. Thank you so much for your joining. So eighth and last one is the risk warning. User must bear in the mind the cryptocurrency trading affected by the multiple factors such as the market dynamics, the regulatory policies, market prices, and high volatility in the unpredictable. Please pay close attention to the market risk and the trade continuously. Thank you so much, Alexane and Gate user E18. Thank you so much for joining. Gate user 8F8. Thank you so much for your again joining. So you can see we are discuss full of project. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. Thank you so much all gate user CE6 E18 C6A. Thank you so much for your joining. And Nasser Web, thank you so much Nasser Web, नेट से बाद आपने ज्वाइन करा है. Gate user E18 and 58B and the InZone, thank you so much. Gate user E18 again, thank you so much for your joining. Thank you so much all of you. So आप देख सकते हैं, you can see we describe full page of our project. So next we have website of our project. So you can see website of our project, the dollar upgraded digital dollar stable coin that are the accepted both and chain in the real world. So you can click now this button, get USD1 now. Join this activity. Thank you so much all of you. So you can see it is the US dollar but for a new era. सो यू हैव, तो अगेन ज्वाइन करा है VIP18 एंड एल्हेड्रा ने। तो थैंक यू सो मच एल्हेड्रा फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मी। सो मच, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको अपनी लाइफ में अगेन देखकर। एल्हेड्रा, एल्हेड्रा या तो एल्हेड्राई होगा, इस तरह का ही नाम है आपका। ABCXYZ, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। इस्तांबुल, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। गेट यूज़र E68, thank you so much, and Mushtaq 280, thank you so much Mushtaq 280 for your joining. And so you can see the first one is stable fully backed, and second one is multi-chain, and third one is built for business and developers, and fourth one is widely available, and sixth one is reduced costs, and sixth one is transparent results. Thank you so much Kara and Ataullah Fridi, thank you so much for your joining. And gate user E18, thank you so much again for joining. And gate user 3C6D, thank you so much for your joining. And 18E, thank you so much. So get USD1 from our trusted partners and protocols. So you can see partners and protocols. So Binance, Bybit, BitGet, Gate, PancakeSwap and Uniswap। तो आप देख सकते हैं ये सारे इसके जो है वो पार्टनर्स हैं। इसके अलावा आप इसके सी ऑल प्रोवाइडर्स पे क्लिक करके सारी जो है मालूमात दे सकते हैं। उसके बाद आए हैं उई, थैंक यू सो मच उई एंड गेट यूज़र 18E एंड अगेन सादी को थैंक यू सो मच 47 सादी को 47 गेट यूज़र 58B एंड UKIP 58 and gate user E18, thank you so much for your joining। तो जल्दी से फॉलो कर लें ताकि आपके पास मेरी नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीम की जो है इंफॉर्मेशन आती रहे। सो गाइस डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड फॉलो मी, ड्रॉप योर क्वेश्चन इन द चैट, आई एम हियर टू हेल्प यू आउट। तो थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू। जल्दी से आप लोग इसको ज्वाइन को लाइव को मेरी को लाइक करें और मेरे को जो है वो फॉलो कर लें, और मेरी पोस्ट पे भी आप लोग लाइक और कमेंट करा करें लाजमी। Thank you so much all of you. So God USD1, let's get thing moving. So guys, thank you so much. UKIP 58, gate user E18, CE6, thank you so much for joining. So next we have God USD1, let's get thing moving. If you are already hold USD1, take advantages of your native tools or to bridge swap your tokens. So bridge easily and security transfer to your USD1 tokens between the integrated network. So next we swap quickly converter cryptocurrency for USD1 and back and again. Thank you so much all gate users for your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much all of you. So guys, next is cross border payments. So move money faster and cheaper with nearly instant settlement in USD1. So next is global dollar access spring। तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं किस तरह खूबसूरती के साथ इसको दिखाया जा रहा है। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल गेट यूज़र नवाब इंटरप्राइज, गेट यूज़र 7907F3CE6E1, thank you so much all of you for your joining। So you can see beautiful image के साथ इसको शो कराया गया है। bring sources reliable digital dollar stable coins to user around the globe। So DeFi capital markets leverage USD1 for lending, borrowing and digital assets trading। So transparent, secure, stable। Thank you so much all of you। So transparent, secure, stable USD1 to 100 backup by the US and cash equivalent to the help and ensure stability liberty all times, and monthly report USD1 receipt reports are the published transparency purpose and only are the published on the month basis। तो इधर जो है इसकी मंथली रिपोर्ट्स भी आती हैं, रेगुलर रिपोर्ट्स एंड प्रूफ ऑफ रिवर्स फुली रिमोल्ड USDT1. So next and last one is born born to be a multi-chain USD1 available on the leading blockchain network with more integration on the way. First in Ethereum, Binance Chain and Tron. So your question in answer. तो इधर जो है क्वेश्चन आंसर भी दिए गए हैं, अगर आपने इससे मुतालिक क्वेश्चन करने हो तो इधर जो है इसके क्वेश्चन और आंसर मौजूद हैं इस वेबसाइट के अंदर, आप सभी देख सकते हैं. जैसे व्हाट इज़ USDT1. So इसका आंसर. सो नेक्स्ट इज हाउ इज USDT1 फुली बैकअप इनटू द 1 बट इज द USD डॉलर. इसका भी इधर आंसर मौजूद है. सो नेक्स्ट है कैन आई कन्वर्ट में द USD1 टू फ्लैट करेंसी. इसका भी आंसर मौजूद है. देयर है कैन आई यूज टू USD1. इसका भी आंसर मौजूद है. लास्ट है आर USD1 रिजर्व एस्टिमेट. तो इसका भी आंसर इधर मौजूद है. तो ये थी हमारी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट आपके सामने, इसको हमने एक्सप्लोर करा. तो हम चलते हैं अपनी एयर ड्रॉप डिटेल्स की तरफ. सो गाइस इसकी एयर ड्रॉप डिटेल देख लेते हैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट की. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. सदीको 47, गेट यूज़र, पांडा क्रिप्टो, नवाब इंटरप्राइज, थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग एंड कम्प्लीमेंट्स मी. सो गाइस हम अपनी प्रोजेक्ट की अब एयर ड्रॉप डिटेल्स देख लेते हैं. तो ये आपके सामने है. सो फर्स्ट वन है इसकी स्पोर्ट फर्स्ट ट्रेडिंग कैंडी प्राइस पूल रूल्स. और सेकंड है इसका स्पोर्ट ट्रेंडी कैंडी प्राइस पूल. सो नेक्स्ट है इसकी जो है, आप इसकी जो है डिटेल जो है ये सारी हम लोग पहले ही अपने वेबसाइट के ऊपर कवर कर चुके हैं. इसकी जो फर्स्ट वन थी स्पोर्ट फर्स्ट ट्रेडिंग कैंडी प्राइस रूल्स को भी हमने देख लिया है. और इसकी जो सेकंड है स्पोर्ट ट्रेडिंग कैंडी प्राइस पूल, ये भी. थर्ड है डिपॉजिट कैंडी प्राइस पूल, वो भी. और प्रोजेक्ट इंट्रोडक्शन भी हम लोग देख चुके हैं. तो थैंक यू सो मच ऑल गेट यूज़र फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग. सो हमारा जो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं दो, नोट्स और रिस्क वार्निंग, इनको जल्दी से देख लेते हैं. सो नोट्स फर्स्ट. Participant must be clicking the join button on the event page after successfully joining in the event. Complete the event tasks and identification to receive rewards. सो गाइज ये थे हमारे नोट्स, इनको आप लोग देख सकते हैं. वैसे हमने इनको डिस्क्राइब कर लिया है अपनी प्रोजेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन में. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो डॉल, क्रिप्टो लेडी एंड क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन फॉर योर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. तो गाइस नोट्स को हमने पहले ही इसमें डिस्क्राइब कर लिया है. इसके 7 नोट्स हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. इनको आप लोग देख सकते हैं. इधर यूज़र आर्ग्यूमेंट्स भी है. तो इसकी जो लास्ट इसका नोट्स है रिस्क वार्निंग, वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो उसको देख लेते हैं. रिस्क वार्निंग बाय यूज़र मस्ट पे विद अटेंशन द फैक्ट द वर्चुअल करेंसी ट्रेडिंग इज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय वायरस फैक्टर. तो थैंक यू सो मच शकूरा 34 फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग शकूरा. So factors such as the market condition in the policy, the market high valued and is difficult predict price and files. Please be aware to market risk and trade continuously. Thank you so much. And trade over 3500 cryptocurrency safely, quickly and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and clean up 10,000 welcome rewards. Invite friend 40% commission. Visit the Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow on X, Twitter. Join Telegram community. Thank you so much all of you guys. तो ये था मेरा अनदर प्रोजेक्ट बोनस टास्क फ्रॉम Gate.io USDT1. तो थैंक यू सो मच आप सभी का. आपने मुझे ज्वाइन करा, लाइक करा, फॉलो करा और कम्प्लीमेंट्स करे बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे. तो इंशाल्लाह आपसे मुलाकात होगी मेरी कल एक नए अनदर बोनस टास्क के साथ Gate.io की तरफ से. तो आप सभी का शुक्रिया. थैंक यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. तो इंशाल्लाह अब आपसे मेरी कल मुलाकात होगी, अनदर बोनस टास्क के साथ। आप सभी का शुक्रिया, आज आपने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स किए हैं लाइव के अंदर, और बहुत ही अच्छा अच्छा आप लोगों ने जो है सपोर्ट करा है, लाइक करा है। तो थैंक यू सो मच, गॉड ब्लेस यू, अल्लाह हाफिज़। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू। कल मुलाकात होगी, अल्लाह हाफिज़।